Alright guys, so this is the bluelink part 2. So we started off from the remote services. I was at remote services, and then I was at engine start settings. So in the previous video, part 1, we were explaining how can I set the timer on my bluelink through going under, clicking the button there for 5 minutes. You see where I clicked 5 minutes? So this is how you can adjust the timer from, right? And then winter it's 7 minutes, hot summer only 2 minutes, right? You can also adjust the climate from your app, from the bluelink app. You can adjust the timer. So like you see there, the fall 21 Celsius, winter 18, hot summer 20, right? So basically you can adjust your climate controls from the app here. But you cannot adjust the heated seats and heated steering wheel, right? But you can adjust the climate control from the app through here, through this screen, okay? Every time it asks you for the PIN for safety, validation. Okay, so I just clicked the engine start to turn it off. Because see, when you see the lights on like this, that means it's on. But because it's a demo mode, it's not allowing me to change it. Engine start cancel, so that way you can shut off your engine, right? That's how you shut off your engine, okay? All right, so we went through that, how to adjust through here. And then the vehicle status. If you click the top right corner, you see vehicle status. So you click on vehicle status. You see the last update, basically what the green dots, like you see the green square, the dotted square, that means the car is locked. And with the circle in green, that's fully green, this is basically shows the doors are closed. When the doors are open, it will show you from that red dot that, like you see, open for red. So that way, okay, sure, how's this gonna help me? Well, if you're sitting in a coffee shop, or you're having a meal or something, or you're on a date, or you're with the parents, or whatever you're doing, you wanna check if, oh, did I lock my car? We always tend to forget that. Oh, did I lock my car? This is how you go on that screen to find out. Let's say if you're in a restaurant, it's raining outside or snowing outside, you don't wanna go and make sure it's locked, or you're not sure if your key is working. Well, like I said, you can use, in case your key also is not working, your fob, you can use the app, right? It uses data, obviously, or your wireless connection to get the data feeds, right? To get like updated data. So yeah, this is where you can check if the car is locked or not locked from the app. So pretty cool, eh? It even tell you the engine if it's on or off, or doors locked or unlocked, and the climate if it's on or off. So I hope that was helpful. All right, so we're done with that screen right now. I'm gonna back to the home button, find my vehicle. Yeah, you can find your vehicle through the app here, which is pretty nice. Let's say if you're in a grocery store, you're not able to locate your vehicle, you can find my vehicle. Call roadside assistance. So as you guys know, the roadside assistance is 5 years or 100,000, Canada and US. This video is made in Canada, so I'm talking all about Canadian standard, but the warranty should be the same. Vehicle health status. So I know we've went through that in the previous video, in the part 1. Dealer locator, so you can see the nearest dealership. You can put your postal code there, you can see the nearest dealership. Notification center, you always want to have your notification center on, so that way if there's any updates, it sent it to you, or any recalls, or any thing that you need to be aware of regarding your vehicle, right? Notification history, it shows you if it sends you any notification history. Like you see there, it could get through email or through cell phone, you can get the notifications. And a couple of people that let's say if 2 people own one car, both of them could be on that car. You just need to follow my steps in the part 1, how to download the app, but 2 people can use the same car through the app, one at a time. All right, so that was pretty much it, guys, for now, on the bluelink for gasoline cars, not EV cars. If you have more requests, please write me down, or request more videos. It was Sherif here doing that video. They call me your boy Sherif. That's actually like kind of my nickname, but I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. I hope that video was fun, not boring, you know, and I hope that was helpful. Just like the page, subscribe, and I'll get you guys more videos, and we'll have more fun. Okay, have yourself a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching and listening.